Hey everyone, Donnie here. Today I'm going to show you guys one of my kind of my secret tricks when it comes to doing hand drill or bow drill friction fire. So stick around, much to see. I know you'll enjoy. So I'm out in the Rockies once again, and you know, I just worked on a fire not too long ago, and one of the things that I was using was one of my secret tools. That's called a leather leaf. It's one of these guys right here. Now, why I like to use a leather leaf is pretty simple. If it takes me 30 minutes to bust out a coal, let's say it takes 5 minutes, the last thing I want to do is drop it on something flimsy, something dry, and something you can burn through like this. Does it make sense for me to have a strong, sturdy barrier underneath a coal while I transfer it to a tinder bundle? Yes, that does. Is it very likely that a coal will burn through a dry dead leaf? Absolutely. Do I want to avoid that? Yes, 100% of the time. Now again, I want to avoid these, and I want to use something like this. Here's the free formula. Go to your Goodwill, go to an old shoe, anything you can, an old belt, and cut out a small little leaf shape. If you want to get really creative, go ahead, cut it out in any sort of leaf shape that you want. Mine are all essentially just kind of teardropped or just random pieces. And they all have a loop on the end. Why? This is just for multi-use. I'm a foot napper, so it just gives me the ability to have a small little pressure flaking pad as I need a rework stone or anything like that. So I have a pressure flaking pad, and then I also have my leather leaf that I can put underneath my hearth board to catch any of my coals, and it works absolutely great. This makes sense. This is not a $1 million idea. What it is just giving you all something else to eliminate when you're trying to adventure down that friction fire pathway. Some people battle it out and they'll find the smallest, tiniest, driest little leaf and stick it underneath the hearth board to catch that coal, and they wind up getting a burn through. This is one way to avoid it. So for me, if I'm going out in the back country, a very simple light piece of gear is this leather leaf. Multi-use from the leather leaf itself, catching my coals, as well as my own little pressure flaking hand pad. So down and dirty, that's it. I'm not selling them, I'm just giving out some free information. It's a great little kit idea. Throw it in your kits when you guys are out in the bush and you're going to practice hand drill or bow drill. You have a good solid platform that you can utilize to catch your coals, transfer into your tinder bundles, and get that fire going. That's all I got. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the bush.